Antigravity is an advanced agentic IDE, and Claude Code is one of the smartest AI coding assistants. Individually, both are powerful, but when you combine Claude Code and Antigravity, you can build and automate software 10x faster. In simple words, Antigravity provides an environment where we can use Claude models. In this video, we will learn how to build AI products and how team agents work. In this video, I will be telling you about the various models of Claude. Claude has 3 models: Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku. Opus, best for deep reasoning, coding, and complex tasks. Sonnet, for writing and documentation. Haiku, for quick summaries and translations. Today, we will use Claude Opus 4.6, which was recently released. It is an advanced model that can make workflows 3x faster. Antigravity is a smart agentic IDE where we give prompts and let AI do the work. So what is a team agent? Just like every company has teams for front-end, back-end, and testing, AI agents also perform different tasks. In a sub-agent system, there is a main agent that assigns tasks to multiple agents. Each sub-agent does its own work and reports back. In a team agent system, agents can communicate with each other. This leads to better coordination and better output. Now, let us start the installation. First, install Antigravity. Download the Windows version from the Antigravity website and install it. After installation, accept the terms, complete the setup, and create a desktop icon. In model selection, choose Claude Opus 4.6 and put it on fast mode. If you want, you can also use planning mode. Create a new folder and open it in Antigravity. Now go to the Claude Code docs, click on Build with Claude Code, select Run Agent Teams, and copy it. Give the prompt, install this package to start the installation. Allow the system permissions. Node.js, NPM, and Claude Code will be installed. Keep allowing the required permissions. Allow JSON files and other dependencies. Now we will build a bus booking website. If you want, you can also build an app. Let us start. Agent 1, Requirement Planning. Agent 2, Backend Logic. Agent 3, UI Design. Agent 4, Execution and Deployment. Paste the prompt and run it. AI will start thinking, and the agents will begin working step by step. The agents are executing their tasks, and the system is running continuously. Inside the project folder, multiple files are being generated, such as server files, package files, and public files. Both front-end and back-end are being generated, and the app is being built. Now we will open our website on localhost and check it. You can see that all the features are working properly. Let us book a ticket once. You can see that after filling in all the details, the ticket is booked. But where is the ticket? The ticket is opening on our localhost. So now we need to add our email in the back end. Just ask AI to add your email to the back end and provide the email address where you want the notification to be sent. Now you will see an option for two-step verification. Click on it. Turn on two-step verification, otherwise this will not work. Now log in to that account. Turn on two-step verification. Click on App Password. Give the app any name. Then you will get your 16-digit password. Simply copy and paste it. You can see that AI is making changes to the website. Wait a little. Now all the changes have been completed. Let us try booking once again. Fill in all the details. Complete the payment. Now you can see that we have received the ticket on the email we provided. So your complete website is now ready. If you want to make any changes to it, you can easily do that. For example, if you want to add animations or anything else, just tell AI.